Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, March the 16th, 2021. Yes, it's already the 13th week of lockdown. Yeah, it has been the 13th week of lockdown. Yeah, 13 weeks. Wow. Yeah, only one regular Sudoku we have here, a Sudoku Medium, and in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8, but first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2478. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. I have already counted, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and from 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. A 2-star Sudoku. I think I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. 3 stars, 20 to 25, and or 30. And the 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me check. We have here a big square with 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are: the 2 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 5 is missing. And look, we have a 7 there, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? We see here 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then we see a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. Yes, in this big square. Let me see. No. I cannot. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We see here 2 and a 7 in the last column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. I cannot fill this directly. Alright. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and I see here 5 and there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Alright, 8 and 6. So we have an 8 in one of these boxes in the last column, and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Yes. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 here, so no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, so 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. All right, 2 numbers left in this row. We have here the 7 and the 5, so those 2 boxes are the 2 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah. In this big square, we have now 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, 7 in the 1st row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? The number 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then. Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the 1st row, 9 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 9. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 9. Alright. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Then. How about eight. Okay, one number left in this row for the number 4. Yes. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And that box should be an 8. Alright. So we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4, alright. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. And that box should be a 7. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. Alright. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Then. One number left in this row for the number 2. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 2. These 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row, the 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6, and look, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. Let me see. 1 and 6. Okay. How about these? 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. 2 numbers left in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 6. Alright. And now yeah. 1 and 6. Okay. No 6 here. 6. Yeah. 6, 1 and the 3. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6 in this big square. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1. Alright. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. All right. Then 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. We have a 2 and 8 here. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left. 1 digit left. In this column should be the 6. Alright. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Remember this, 2 and 8. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6, and this box should be a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see there 5. No 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 6. No, digit number 5, number 5. Alright. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. And remember those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. And the final number of this big square for the number 3. Yes, finished in 60 minutes. Alright. 60 minutes as predicted. 15 between the 20 and 15 minutes, or 15 and 20 minutes. It's definitely a 2 stars. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, I will see you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Alright, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. See you later. Bye bye for now.